to see you here in SM Clark. How have you guys been? Okay naman?
Okay naman.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed the whole fan signing event. And congratulations again for winning the VIP. Okay, I'll introduce myself first. I'm Vinci. I'm the leader and main vocalist of Horizon. Nice to meet you. See you here mamaya sa signing.
Oh yeah.
Hello guys. I'm Kyler of Horizon and I'm the main visual.
Yes.
Hello guys, my name is Jeremy. I'm the main dancer and the performance leader of the group. Nice to meet you guys.
Hello guys, my name is Kim of Horizon. Yun lang.
Hello, my name is and I'm the main rapper.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm Horizon and I'm one of the vocalists.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is
Marcus.
Marcus. I'm the youngest member of the group and I'm a vocalist. Congratulations guys!
Let's sit down first.
Okay.
Sino ang first lucky anchor dito sa SM Clark?
Wala nang gustong mauna. Ay, so sila yung mauna.
Oh, we can start now.
I-record ko na ha. Square? Square?
Zero!
Wow, ang daming gadgets for all documentation.
Guys, kumain na po kayo?
Hindi pa!
Di ba?
Prepare your photo cards.
Wala! Hindi ko alam sino na yun.
Oh my God.
Pagkatas dito, sinong group?
Ano na?
Ay, yun sinong group?
Okay.
Ngayon sa family view. Ah, Flash! Diba? Kasi tumatakbo yun, hindi naman yung lumilipad eh.
Marcos!
Kyler! Hello! Kim!
Hindi siya umanap.
Jiro!
Ayun yung nakabay na.
Birthday ko today, mabati na ako.
Hindi siya umanap.
Pwede yun kuya, diba? Pwede mo marap para magpa-picture, diba?
I think so.
Hindi kasi sa mga video na nakikita ko ganun.
Hindi sila humaharap eh.
Ay, ako haharap.
Kahit screen grab lang sana.
Toto! Kim! Hello!
Marcos! Marcos! Marcos!
Winston, panahin mo ako!
Winston!
Winston, panahin mo ako!
Winston!
ba? Nakatalikod talaga.
Hindi, pwede naman umarap eh. Basta
Ano lang sila?
Family freedom.
Ay, tanong ko ako, kung kaninong live.
Ha?
Ganito yung, dapat sa kanila mo.
Ano?
Yung legs mo na lang, sana sila muna. Para
I
yung
think so.
tayo dun sa kanila tayo papadun.
Yeah.
Kagabi ko lang nalaman kasi nung nagano ko yung kapatid ko, message ako, sabi niya, napanood niya daw sa Twitter na akala yung sinagot ko. Kagabi ko lang nalaman, pero yung napansin during yung shoot ko namin, hindi ko napansin. Ba yun? Baray?
Excuse me po, yung gamer mo, pila na po tayo yung sa likod ng ating
Pwede,
kapatid.
wait lang po. After namin kuya, si po yung doon.
Pwede pa check mong frame. Sorry. Baka kasi
Kung may
gumawa.
papangako,
Yeah.
pasensya na. Kasi mag-a-assist pa.
Ah, sige.
Kasi ang pinaka-insist.
Sige, mauna na
Pila na lang
ako.
po tayo din sa likod ng ating
Jenny, first time?
Okay.
First time? Di ko first time din. Congratulations po.
Yung naka-jeans.
Yes. Hard po.
Dahil malapitan naman si Mami dun sa doon na lang po. Sabihin mo, pila na. Sige po, pwede na po kayo po.
Papasuyo ako. Sige. Sige, mauna na kayo. Tapos na si Ken. Baka pwede magpasuyo sa kanila. Ay, Kel, ano ba to admin?
Bawal po yung phone sa harap. Mga taga-SM po kasi.
Alin yun?
Yung
totoo.
bawal po magpa-video sa harap. Kasi
Ah,
mga
sorry.
taga-SM.
Sige, wala na ako choice yun na lang.
Phone na lang po, pa-off na lang po.
Ay,
Pa-off na lang po.
oh.
Thank you. Try na lang sa packet.
Alright.
Ano po kuya? Nakasili naman yung taga.
Sige. Sana hindi magalaw yung video. Ang laki! Yata! Sana hindi gumalaw yung frame. Anyway. Ay, may video ka. Ayun. Kaya lang, meron pa akong isang phone. Tatawa nga ako pati yung isa. Ang dami niyang gadget.
Hi, Ria from US.
Ba't hindi sila humaharap? Pwede naman humarap, diba? Kung may video ka. So, ano ba yung mga sasabihin natin? Sana hindi gumalaw. Mag-hi ka na lang. Kasi hindi naman naka-zoom eh. Walang magzo-zoom tayo.
Si Lil. Lil! Lil! Hindi ako narinig. Lil!
Wow. Ano yun? Saan galing ang mic?
Mga
Ay, tumutunog yung phone. Wait lang, bakit? Tumutunog yung phone.
Ano? May tumatawag.
Hindi ako nag-video ah. Hindi yan bawal ah. Ano yan? Come again? Sorry. Sorry.
Video yung sa phone mo?
Hindi siya naka-stop. So, ma-video lahat.
Sana kasama ako.
Yeah. Hanapin ko lahat na naka-VIP. Second time, pero first ko sa VIP. No. First time ko VIP, then sa Tarlac yung first. Then concert. Nice! Wala, sana walang humarang sa video. Oh my God, may humarang sa video. Relax. Relax. Hello. Hi, Vinci. My name is Mark. Alam mo, ikaw lang yung nakita ko sa Novotel. Nagkasabay tayo sa elevator. Yung concert. Yeah. But you were Yeah. Nag-check-in kami sa Novotel and you were with your family. Siyempre, nahiya kami magka-picture. But we were in the same elevator. Say hi.
Again, up close.
Yeah, again.
Time.
Not the last time.
Yes, hopefully not.
Yeah.
Is it your first VIP event?
Yes, this is my first VIP. And of course, nasa VIP tayo nung concert, so I saw you up close. But this is the first time I get to talk to you.
Yes.
Alright!
Have fun.
Say hi! Naku! Oh my God, yung... No. Baka out of frame yung camera ko. But anyway,
Yes.
nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Again.
Enjoy the full fan signing event.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Alright. Kyler! So, sa'yo ako natapat nung Tarlac. And say hi to
Thank you.
Oopsies! Who's losing a Vinci photo card?
Kyler. So,
I like your outfit.
thank you. Yeah, I actually do some covers online for 60.
They have TikTok.
Yeah, I do have TikTok.
Which one?
And I cover.
You dance?
Yeah, I dance actually. I cover the 16 dance for fun, just to restore my dance skills, and then I performed it on my Christmas party. So yeah.
See you later.
Zero! My favorite dancer. Thank you so much. Hello. Actually, nakita ko kayo sa Novotel, pero andun ka lang sa sa floor. Nasa swimming pool kami. Kasama namin si Hailey. I don't know if you know her.
Hailey?
Yeah, Hailey.
Oh.
So nandun kami sa swimming pool area, and then nakita ka namin. Sa Novotel. Because nag-check-in din kami during the concert. So, yeah, for convenience. Yun lang. Oh, thank you. Sige, mag-hi ka na lang dito. Thank you for appreciating. Thank you for appreciating.
See you later.
Kasama po kayo.
Yeah, but not originally nakakilala. Dito ko na sila nakilala because of mga fellow anchors. Yeah. I covered their dance, the 16, yun yung first time ko kinover. At hindi ko masabayan yung swag mo. So pag ikaw talaga yung sumayaw. Yeah, see you later. Kim, where is Kim? This is yours. Say hi to the camera. Alright. Ayos naman. Mark. Yeah, Mark. Nice to meet you. And you're surprised sa high note mo. That's what I want to say. Sa high note mo, sa Lucky, you were surprised.
Kasi like, unexpected talaga.
Na binigay sa'yo yung
Dati talaga hindi ko alam, hindi ko ako marunong kumanta. Ngayon pala kataas yung...
Yeah.
Abot ko nito pala yung mataas na ganun.
Yeah, I know. Vinci was expected, pero hindi kita in-expect na you will hit that note. So congratulations. Thank you. You were surprised. Promise. Rayster! Yeah. Say hi. Sana nasa frame pa tayo. Hello. You are so good in rapping. And you're Ariel. Yeah. You're Ariel. So, contemporary dancer ka? Contemporary. Yeah, and you're also good in singing. Diba? So, but anyway, rapping is something else. So, yun lang ang gusto ko sabihin. You're so good. You're so good. You're so good. What else? Yeah, I didn't have a chance sa Novotel na makita kayo, but yeah, up close during the VIP. Sa ano lang, sa concert. VIP, yeah. But I didn't have... This is the first time I talked to you. Oh! Winston, nice to see you here. I was in Tarlac, you were not there. So, anyway, my condolences, but yeah. Here. You know what? The first time, yeah, I just have to say that. You're the person na parang you're doing everything. I mean, you're 100% every time. But that was my first impression of you. And then I saw your Dream Maker, and you told the crowd that you will do your best every time. So, yun ako kinilabutan. But because it shows, di ba? Congratulations, you're doing well. You're doing well. Thank you.
Hello, Winston.
And my bias.
Hey.
My bias.
You're my bias. Oh, I'm your bias.
Hello. Yeah.
Thank you so much. That one?
Yeah, that one. That one with the stand. Yeah, what do I say? Yeah, you're charming. You're a great dancer. You're a great singer.
Really?
Yeah, I love your voice. It's very soothing.
Hey.
What else I would say? What else would I say? Spatula? What's with the spatula?
The family feud, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, but I appreciate you coming. Do you live here?
Yeah. No. I live in Pangasinan, so it's far away, diba?
Yeah.
And then I came from Pasay because I have to work. Yeah. And see you later because I still have passes, you know.
That's great. Hey, I really appreciate the effort of you coming.
Yeah. I didn't expect I will win VIPs.
Yeah, and you did?
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank
Yes,
you.
I'll
See you later. Okay, I still have a chance.
Yes, I appreciate that.
Bye.
See you
Thank
later.
you.
Bye. Hello, Mark.
Thank you. Sorry.
Wait, nasa si Rich?
Hindi kita yung ano.
Naku, nasa frame pa ba kami?
Yes, sir. Nasa screen.
Sure.
Ako naman last pag-zoom na lang na din.
Alright. Harap ka din minsan para sa hindi sayang yung video.
Ano po?
Harap ka din minsan pag para makita.
Sabi ko, hi kakawan. Sige.
Okay.
Basta play na lang.
Ano nasasabi ko dun?
Oh my God, sabi ni Jiro, kayo po pala yung nagpatanong sa akin ng anong favorite ko pong anime. So, ibig sabihin, nakarating po sa kanya.
Ito, pwede pa ba?
Yeah, that's mine. Nasaan na siya?
Kuya, nakunan na.
Yeah, continuous lang yan.
Ito yata nakuha lahat.
Ito po, opo.
Sana. Mark Alvin Prado. I will gather all the VIP at sa likod. Sige.
Kuya, papalo ako mag-best.
I'll see you around. Dito pa naman ako.
Naalala ko wala pa Naalala ko, ako nag-send ng message nung na-test yung arrival sa arithmetic class. So, ako yun lang. Nung mismong birthday. Dapat thank you sa akin.
Matagal din actually, no? Ha? Ano? Di ba may Polaroid pa to?
Mamaya po, after lang.
I see. Nagpalas talaga siya. Feeling ko para lahat makuna siya. Very good move.
birthday, Lay. Faith?
Green.
Cream?
Hi, Juju and Jay.
Congrats, team! Congrats! Congrats, team!
Green.
Green! R-I-N! Congrats, Green! Wait, like the word Rin or name Rin? Congrats, Rin! Congrats, Rin! Nico, Kimbo!
Hey!
Nico, Kimbo! Ninang Lay! Ani! Ari? Ari! Yari, Ari. US? US anchors? Like, oh, US anchors. What's up? Hi, Nico. See you soon.
Ngayon pa lang, I'm sorry po.
Yes, sir.
Nico.
Chichi! Kim! Kim! Tyler! Kim!
Guys.
Shout out Kim Kiss Army! Gia!
Yes! Congratulations pala sa mga nanalo ngayon. Thank you so much. Ganda.
Lakin.
Solid. Napaka-solid. Hi, Liz. Hello. Hello.
Shout out!
Hello, Tito Bert. Hello, Tita Imelda. Kamusta? See you ulit. Ninong. Guys, we posted a quiz sa IG story namin. Nag-answer ba kayo doon?
Take my hand.
Answer kayo nga.
Hindi ba take my hand yun?
Ang aga!
Ilang
Siya
seconds?
siguro yung nagsabi nung joke. Hindi ko tanda. Take my hand ata yung sabi niya.
Take my hand, take my hand.
Ito ba yun? Take my hand. May nagsabi mga take my hand, on eye, daddy.
Jira!
Hello,
Jira!
Kim! Kim, Lily! Kim, shout out Lily! Lily! Chi! Jeffrey! Ninang Jeff! Ay ka naman! Slap soil! Hey! Slap soil squad!
Like Jenny, right?
Slap soil!
Slap soil!
Slap Soil Squad.
Lily.
Slap Soil.
Hello, Lily.
Slap Soil Squad, what's up?
Ate, Ayen. Ingat po kayo pala.
Chichi. Pati daw kay Ate Cathy. Chi.
Naiiyak ako sa sabi ko ngayon kasi mo ang animation.
Horizoners, hello.